Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to check out how to add funds to your Coinbase accounts. Well, in the previous video we looked at how to withdraw funds, but now we're checking out how to add funds to your account. So probably you want to buy a cryptocurrency or you want to top or something like that, you need funds in your account. So this video is for you. Now let's get right into it. First thing you got to notice, you have 4 ways to add funds to your account. Through your bank account, you can do debit card, you can use wire transfer, or you can use PayPal. So let's look at them one by one. The first method is adding funds through bank accounts. And the first thing you need to do is to log into your Coinbase account, and then you click add payments or deposits, and then select bank accounts. Then you got to enter your bank account details, including the routing and account number. Then you gotta verify your bank account by confirming 2 small test deposits. Once verified, deposit funds into your Coinbase accounts. So that's the first method. Now for the second method, that's adding funds through your debit card. So the first thing you need to go ahead and do is to log into your Coinbase account, then click add payment methods or deposits, and then select debit card this time. Now you gotta enter your debit card details and deposit funds to your Coinbase account from there. The third method is adding funds through wire transfer. Same as before. First thing you need to do, log into your Coinbase account, click add payment methods or deposit, and this time you select wire transfer. You got to follow the instructions to initiate a wire transfer from your bank, and once that is done, you'll be able to deposit funds into your Coinbase account. You got to take note that there are fees and limits. Now Coinbase charges fees for deposit depending on the payment methods, and there's also a limit to how much you can send at once. So you got to take note of those two. And of course, for security and verification purposes, you got to verify your account, make sure that your account is verified, so you can also increase the limits, the maximum amount of funds that you can deposit or you can hold. And also you gotta make sure your account is secure, because if you're sending money into your account, you want to make sure that no one else has access to that. And you can make that better by using the 2-factor authentication. So once you have that, your account will be much more secure and you don't gotta worry much. Now take note that Coinbase may require additional verification steps or documentation to comply with regulatory requirements, but that's pretty much all you got to worry about there. So that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like. Also comment and let me know what you thought about the video. Share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and of course ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our updates. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.